Hello, this is Red from FakeSteel, and this time we will show you how to mount one of our pole arm heads onto a wooden pole. You will need these tools: an angle grinder, a caliper or a measuring tape, a marker, sandpaper, and some appropriate glue. Start by marking the point from which the pole should start tapering. For the halberd, this is 85 mm from the tip. You can find the dimensions and diagrams for each type of polearm on our store page. Grind it down evenly. Unlike our actor, don't forget to use the guard for your grinder. Periodically check the diameter of the taper until you get to the point where 30 mm below the tip the diameter of the pole is 26 mm. Once you reach that diameter, mark the spot and get ready to grind out the tip. Grind the last 30 mm of the pole until it reaches an even 16 mm in circumference. Once it does, blunt the tip thoroughly to prevent it from cutting the foam. Use the sandpaper to remove any sharp edges or splinters from the pole. Try whether the pole arm head fits and whether the narrowed down tip slides into its socket. Once it does, mark the edge of the head to know where to apply the glue. Smear the glue onto the pole. We're using Pateks, which works great. Carefully slide the head onto the pole and remove excess glue with a napkin. The polearm is now finished. Simply let the glue dry and you're ready to stab.